For most of human history, light came from fire. Then, electricity changed cities. And now, light is learning to fly. What you're about to see is the largest drone light show ever recorded. Over 65,000 drones rose into the sky above Shanghai. Not fireworks, not lasers, but machines, each one precisely positioned to become a single moving image. To understand how absurd this number is, most major drone shows use 1,000 to 5,000 drones. Even record-breaking performances rarely cross 10,000. Shanghai didn't double that number, it multiplied it. Every shape you're seeing exists only because tens of thousands of machines are obeying commands with millimeter precision. One mistake, and the entire image collapses. So here's the real question. How do you control 65,000 flying robots in the same airspace without chaos? Each drone knows its exact position, its altitude, its timing, its neighbors. They communicate through synchronized systems guided by GPS, onboard sensors, and centralized coordination software. Think of it less like fireworks and more like a flying computer display where every pixel is alive. This didn't happen by accident. China dominates global drone manufacturing. It leads in swarm technology, and it treats large-scale automation not as a novelty, but as infrastructure. This show wasn't just entertainment, it was capability on display. Because drone swarms aren't just for light shows. The same coordination principles apply to disaster response, mapping cities, traffic monitoring, agriculture, and yes, military systems. A sky that can be choreographed can also be controlled. With 65,000 drones in the air simultaneously, Shanghai officially shattered the previous world record, not by a small margin, but by redefining what's possible. Fireworks explode once and disappear, but drone shows can adapt, update, change meaning in real time. They're not celebrations of destruction, they're demonstrations of coordination. What happened in Shanghai wasn't just a show, it was a preview. Because the future of cities won't just be built on the ground, it will be written in the sky.